Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to change WordPress password. If you want to know how it's done, this video is for you. So as you can see right here, I'm actually on my WordPress dashboard. Now in here, if you want to change your account password, what you can do is you can see in here your profile icon. So click on that, and then from in here, click on this edit profile. Once you have done that, you should be able to see in here the profile of your actual theme right here. So you can see in here your name, username, contact info, profile picture, as well as this account management right here. So for me, I haven't set a password yet, but if you already set a password, you should be able to see this in here, this new password, and you should be able to see in here this option for change password. Once you have done that, click on this right here, and then it will ask you for the password that you want to use for this particular WordPress of yours. So just head over and then enter in here the password that you want to use. On some cases, it will also ask for verification, so keep your email ready on the next step, wherever your email that you have made for this particular one. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.